YouTube friends and followers, here's an update on the $500 Mercedes ML500 that I bought about almost 2 weeks ago. Over the weekend I did put the alternator in, a new one from Florida. I picked up an alternator for $65. Shipped even, a used one. This vehicle has about 153,000 miles on it. That alternator had about 100,000 miles on it. Anyway, the dashboard is no longer flickering. It's been steady as can be, so I'm really happy about that. So the alternator solved the flickering problem. I'm driving on 495 South, heading to work early today. It's about 5:20 in the morning. And I did replace the master cylinder in this vehicle, which, as you probably know, is for the braking. So the braking is pretty darn good now. And it's getting about 19.5 mpg at this moment. So we'll see how it goes. I still have to replace the emergency brake handle or pedal. That's bad still. Of course, the previous owners broke that. I changed the oil over the weekend also. And I still have to now replace the antifreeze bottle because that is leaky. And what else? The carrier bearing on the bottom of the truck with the drive shaft. I still got to do that. And oh, of course, the windshield is a crack right there too. But Massachusetts, the insurance pays for the windshield, so I think that'll be fixed for free by law. So thanks for watching. And yeah, this truck is going along. I've probably put about 500 miles on it by now. And unbeknownst to me, there was 10 pounds of air in the left front tire for probably 400 miles or so. I didn't even notice it. The left front tire was low. Actually, all the tires, of course, were low, so I put air in the tires on Friday, and the truck drives really good now. Well, thanks for watching, and have a great day. And my advice to you is do not buy a $500 Mercedes. Do not buy a Mercedes for $500. It takes too much work. Take care. Bye-bye.